The price of Bitcoin right now is approaching its all-time high, and I am preparing myself to go short. Risky trade, but yes, if you have watched my previous video, you already know why I'm going short. So in this video I will be discussing more of that trade and my setup, everything. So let's get straight to the point. Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and as of now nothing much in the crypto market. It is sideways. It is preparing itself for a major move either towards the upside or downside. Let's see where it goes. But as I said in my previous video, that this week will be kind of a stable week, kind of a sideways market, and next week we can see a big move either towards the upside or downside. And obviously right now I'm in my Ethereum long position. Still a bit of a percent of my Ethereum long position is open right now. I will close it definitely when I will go short on Bitcoin and Solana. If I find a good setup on Bitcoin and Solana to go short, then I will close my Ethereum long position as well, or maybe I'll just open it for hedging and keep it open. But as of now I'm just waiting for a good opportunity to enter in a trade. In Ethereum I'm just holding on to my long position, nothing else, and just waiting for the next move to be played. Coming to the Bitcoin's chart, over here I'm on the daily time frame, and as you can clearly see, the price of Bitcoin is near its all-time high and it is facing some sort of rejection. Definitely we can see some high volumes as well, but as of now nothing much. And as I said, most probably this week will be sideways, and then we can see either a big move either towards the upside or downside. Let's see where it goes, but I don't find any good setup to enter in a short position right now. If I do, I will definitely inform you guys on my Twitter that I'm personally entering in a short position, and will make a video as soon as possible. And then obviously I'll try to find a good setup on Solana as well to go short. So yeah, this is pretty much it right now. See, the main thing that I'm saying, it is why I am saying that it is a very risky trade, because obviously price is near its all-time high, and when the price is near the all-time high, it can easily go towards the upside as well or downside. No one knows. And the nature of Bitcoin, it is highly manipulative, so it becomes more and more risky for Bitcoin to take a trade against the trend, because as you can clearly see, it is in an uptrend. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is a risky trade for sure. Same is with Solana. It is also in an uptrend. You can clearly see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Right over here, same pattern following like Bitcoin. Currently the market is sideways. It is facing a resistance as of now, and same is with Solana. It is a very risky trade. I mean, I'm still not went short on Solana, but if I go short on Solana, it will be a very risky trade for sure. And that's why I will only enter with a small capital. So let's see what happens. Currently the market is sideways. I'm just waiting for a good opportunity to enter in a short position on Solana, and if I find a good setup, if I see some confluence in the market, then definitely. So I'm sure you guys understood the main reason why I'm going short on Bitcoin and Solana. Still I'm not going. I mean, I'm preparing myself. Maybe I will enter in a short position, maybe not, but it all depends on the market, and it is obviously going to be very risky going against the trend when the market is already in an uptrend. But let's see how it goes, and definitely I will inform you guys on my Twitter. Link of Twitter is in the description below, and if you want to trade Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum or any crypto, you can do that on the exchange is mentioned in the description. If you want to create an account, you can, or else you can use any exchange. No pressure promotion, but don't fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.